So we're on the way to go to a really big project. This project has been a project that's been in the works for more than a year. A little backstory behind it is that the contractor that we're working with, we actually did a project with them before, which was actually one of the biggest jobs that we ever did. The job was a 86-room hotel installation. This job is a 155-room, full receiving, full inspection, full storage, and full installation. We're on our way to Santa Cruz, which is about 2 hours away, to do this walkthrough. And then after that, we're gonna review everything and put together the bid. Other day when I was scrolling through Instagram, I seen a reel, and the reel basically summarized that you need an operator in your business for your business to grow and for you not to be there. I think that's totally wrong, because in order for an operator to grow your business, you need to have set systems and set KPIs and benchmarks for your company to grow without you being there. If you have an operator and the operator gets hit by a truck, you don't have a business. You have to go back in the business because you don't have any systems or you don't have any benchmarks for the company to grow without you. Never rely on a person, rely on your systems. All right, so we got to see the place that we're gonna do a project on. We did a walkthrough. It's a huge project. It's probably gonna be on the higher end of the actual estimate that I thought of. There's gonna be spas, there's gonna be bars, there's gonna be restaurants. There's so many things that we have to do for this project. I'm super excited. I can't wait to get out the bid to the customer. I'm pretty sure they're gonna go with us. The reason why is because we already did a successful project with them before. After, I took out the team, we got some lunch, and we're enjoying this beautiful weather here in Santa Cruz.